Okay, we've now plated the broccoli, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at the rice. It's been simmering for about 20 minutes, a little less. And as we can see, most of the juices evaporated in there. And so we can check one small piece. Perfect. It's a little bit al dente, but not very much. All right, so what we're going to do to finish this dish off is we're going to add 2 tablespoons of balsamic. You can use Worcestershire as well. These tablespoons, and then we're going to mix it up. That's going to give it a little bit of a darker color. And that's going to match very well with our chicken. So we're going to go ahead, give it one final stir, making sure that everything is incorporated. And then we're going to plate it right next to the broccoli.